In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to an image or text in Shopify without using any apps. This simple process takes just about 5 minutes, so let's get started right away. First, you'll need to head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the right store. Once you're in, navigate to the online store tab, which you'll find on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where we begin to dig into the code. Next, locate the theme section. You'll see 3 little dots next to the published theme. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a menu and you want to select edit code from it. This is where things start to get creative. Once you're in the code editing interface, look to your left. There's a search bar above the file list. Type in column to quickly find the right file. We're specifically looking for a file called multicolumn.liquid, so when you see it, click on it to open. With your multicolumn.liquid file open, head over to your browser's address bar and navigate to pastebin.com to qview6a9e. This link contains the code we need to add linking functionality. Once you're there, you'll see an option to view the raw text. Click on raw in the top right of the page. Now select all the text by pressing Ctrl and A on PC or Command and A on Mac. With everything highlighted, hit Ctrl and C or Command and C to copy the code to your clipboard. Now let's go back to the Shopify code editor where you have the multi-columned liquid file open. We're going to replace the existing content here. Click into the editor window and paste the new code by pressing Ctrl and V or Command and V. This code will add the necessary linking capabilities to your images or text within this multi-column section. Once you've pasted the code, make sure to click on the Save button at the top to commit your changes. After saving, exit out of the code editor and locate the Customize button in the Theme section. Click on that, which will take you to the theme editor where you can visually modify sections of your website. Here, click on the image you wish to link. A settings panel should appear on the side. Search for the link option and use it to select what you want the image or text to link to. You might link it to a product collection, a blog post, or another page, whatever makes sense for your store. Once you've set the link, remember to click the Save button again to ensure all your changes are live. Finally, hit the 3 dots at the top of the theme editor and then View. This previews your store, allowing you to click the image or text link you just created, confirming everything is working as expected, and that's it. You've now successfully added links to images or text in your Shopify store without using any additional apps. Feel free to repeat these steps for any other images or text you want to link throughout your store. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more quick Shopify tips.